they have always campaigned and said kuti kumaruzevha ndo kune vanhu, ende kumaruzevha kwacho vakaita sei, or kumamisha vakaita sei. They have kept the poor so that at the least of things they can get, like chicken in, they will celebrate as an achievement. Kwana those things. I think we saw a recent video of old women vachito celebrate kuti hatisati tambowana chicken in or chicken slice zvitsva zvatatoitirwa namai Mnangagwa or something like that. Chichichi. There is also a video of women celebrating robot or traffic light ku Mount Darwin. Why? Because they have been kept poor at that rate that they will celebrate and see those things as an achievement.
Citizens openly condemning the ruling tactics of the ZANU-PF government. Citizens say the leadership is not only acting like a dictatorship, but is a dictatorship in the way it rules, making decisions without listening to the people. Many feel the government is focused on staying in power instead of improving the lives of citizens. Zimbabweans are living in very difficult conditions. There are no jobs, industries are closed, and the cost of living continues to rise. Because of this, many families depend on vending and other small informal activities just to survive. Most people spend their days thinking only about how to put food on the table. The youth are suffering the most. With no employment and no opportunities, many young people feel hopeless. Some end up turning to drugs and substance abuse because they see no future. Communities warn that this is destroying the nation and weakening the next generation. The education system is also collapsing. Schools lack resources, teachers are poorly paid, and many students cannot afford school fees. Citizens believe the government is allowing education to fail, leaving young people without proper knowledge or skills. They say this keeps the population struggling and unable to focus on national issues. Zimbabwe is facing serious drought, and many families do not have enough food. People accuse the government of failing to prepare and failing to support communities properly. Some citizens believe the leadership uses hunger as a way to keep people focused only on survival instead of demanding better governance. At the same time, the government donates cars and gives gifts to selected groups. Citizens say these actions are meant to win political loyalty and make leaders appear caring. Many people are angry because they believe the same leaders are responsible for creating the poverty they pretend to relieve. Citizens across the country strongly condemn the ruling tactics of ZANU-PF. They say the government is running the country like a dictatorship, causing poverty, destroying education, and weakening the youth. Many Zimbabweans are calling for honest leadership, proper development, and a government that truly cares about its people. They believe that real change is needed for Zimbabwe to have a better future.
It's good patruku analyze nyaya yemota, but taking back into history how the revolutionary parties in focus, our revolutionary party have been behaving in terms of its strategy. They have always campaigned and said kuti kumaruzevha ndo kune vanhu, ende kumaruzevha kwacho vakaita sei, or kumamisha vakaita sei. They have kept the poor so that at the least of things they can get, like chicken in, they will celebrate as an achievement. Kwana those things. I think we saw a recent video of old women vachito celebrate kuti hatisati tambowana chicken in or chicken slice zvitsva zvatatoitirwa namai Mnangagwa or something like that. There is also a video of women celebrating robot or traffic light ku Mount Darwin. Why? Because they've been kept poor at that rate that they will celebrate and see those things as an achievement. And because urban areas have been dominated by opposition for quite a long time, what have they done? They have kept my youths unemployed for quite a long time, to the extent they ended up letting this issue of drugs dominating the youths, especially in the urban areas affected. Posvika period yokuti vanomhanyira mbinga vachipiwa madhola nana pangana java zvichienda zvakadaro. So the issue coming pane issue yemota, the same people are now the ones who seem to be doing something amongst us in the ghettos or in the urban areas are now being celebrated with these trinkets, so that isusu pachedu tinotorwa handitika. For example, no one doubts kuti Macheso anogona kukuridza music, and no one doubts kuti Macheso akauya kana ku-UK kushow kwake kunenge kwakazara handitika. So if we give Macheso mota, imimi angojezva mukati, no, let us sabotage Macheso handitika. 5 wedu panapa vanotokudza kuti iwewe kana usina mari gara kumba kwako, isusu tiri kuendera kumusic yaMacheso, hatisi kuendera kunyaya dzepolitics. But already they have won neissue yavo kuZANU-PF kuti vachafamba vachiti Macheso munhu wedu, and they will pay people who will push that narrative. But isusu 5, 6, 7 taenda kwaMacheso, what have they done? They have already pushed their narrative there. So to them, it's a win, but to us, the masses, we have never seen the bigger picture of it. Kuti already what we celebrate as achievement is not achievement in life, because we have remained poor. We have developed other countries. We have developed other companies. Whilst in Zimbabwe, the best that we can celebrate kuita chivenda nekucelebrata munhu ari kuflasha mota in the streets. I always give this example kuti right now one of the best companies in the world, Google, ari kuleader in terms of the topic of the day, AI, is a Zimbabwean. We also, there are so many things where we can talk in terms of people who are leading, Zimbabweans who are leading outside. These are the very old things that should have been developing our country. To the extent you find government itself, when it wants to appear to be doing something, kuti uyai imimi, let us meet halfway. moisa makombiyuta 10 isusu touya tokuisirai mamwe 10 pazvikoro zvamakadzidza and all the stuff like that. And we still debate on those issues, fully forgetting kuti that's a government duty to see kuti education is top notch. You know, like I was laughing with my friend yesterday kuti whilst in Zimbabwe we are still debating about issue ICT. Could China right now they have actually implemented kuti from grade 6 vakutotanga kutodzidza AI, and isusu tichiri kutodebata issue yekudoneta macomputers pachikoro. You know, that's how these revolutionary parties have destroyed our lives, that we debate on these things when we should be kumberi. But anyway, issue yemota is it stands. I will give another example in closing note ndichida kusira time kune vamwe. You know, kwandakakurira kune vanonatsondiziva, ndakakura ndaipfeka bhutsu musi weSunday ndichienda kuchechi. Kuchikoro even manyatera chaiwo ka aitonetsa kutomawana. Pandakatanga kushanda ka one of the first things zvandakatanga kutenga ibhutsu, to the extent yekuti ndaitenga bhutsu zvekuti pamwe pacho ka ndaigona kana kuchinja ka 2 ka 3 kuti ndinatsofila kuti ndakwana mari. So some of these things that we have been kept away from, you know, we see them as achievement because we have been deprived of these things which we think we should be enjoying, which we think which we worship or which we venerate as achievement. But in actual fact, kutenga bus is not an achievement. Even motor though is not an achievement. I mean, motor we need it. But in developed societies, people are now using public transport. Exactly. Thank you. And Ngataura Sakawanda, but my point, I think, it's come across.